you to know what is happening around the world. I request to call Muhammad from class 8 to present two sentences.
Good morning, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Muhammad Shraddha. Today, in front of you, I am going to tell new sentences. First, boost in Africa's green economy, indicating 3.3 million jobs across Africa by 2030. Second, decreasing deforestation in Amazon. Brazil is also launching $204 billion for reforestation. Third, world's first humanitarian day. Hydrogen shaped plane is set up to fly in 2025. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Our life is incomplete without our ability to learning. Now let's learn a new word. I request to call Shri from grade 5 to vocabulary of the day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shri from Standard 5 to tell today's vocabulary of the day. Today's vocabulary of the word is linguistic. I spell my word linguistic. It means related to language. Sentence. There should not be any linguistic error while writing exam. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Shri. Idioms help unify our language and it makes more effective to present idioms. I request to call Hello from grade 6.
Something that never happened. Sentence. Reading in his room when he started. Thank you.
Today, Manav Irani is celebrating his birthday from 5th January.